Imagine sitting in a high-stakes boardroom in Tokyo, watching senior engineers tear down the rules of professional photography to build something that fundamentally reshapes what a mirrorless flagship can achieve. For nearly 4 years, the original Nikon Z9 stood as an absolute monster in the camera world, dethroning mechanical shutters and setting a standard that competitors spent years trying to catch. But while the world was busy praising the Z9, rumors and industrial leaks revealed that a quiet revolution was being cooked up inside Nikon's R&D labs. What you are about to discover isn't just an incremental update or a minor spec bumped up by 10%, it is a total technological overhaul codenamed the Nikon Z9 Mark II. The camera industry has reached a massive turning point where software algorithms, computational photography, and hardware speed are colliding, and this upcoming beast is sitting right at the center of that explosion. If you thought Sony and Canon had locked up the professional market, the leaked internal schematics and sensor data suggest that Nikon is preparing to drop a bomb that could leave every other flagship on the shelf. To fully understand why this upcoming release is causing absolute panic among competing camera manufacturers, you have to look closely at what is happening inside the sensor market right now. For years, photographers believed that global shutter technology was the ultimate holy grail, the only true way to eliminate rolling shutter distortion entirely. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. But Nikon seems to be taking an entirely different, ultra-innovative path with the Nikon Z9 II. Leaked details point toward a newly engineered 46-megapixel stacked CMOS sensor that operates at a mind-bending 3.5 times the speed of the original Z9 sensor. Think about what that actually means when you are out in the field. A readout speed that fast shrinks rolling shutter down to such a microscopic level that it effectively matches a global shutter, but without sacrificing dynamic range, signal-to-noise ratio, or base ISO performance. This sensor doesn't just read data, it floods the processing engine with raw visual intelligence faster than most computers can process text. Speaking of dynamic range and image quality, one of the most stunning leaks surrounding the Nikon Z9 II involves its base sensitivity. Sources report that Nikon is introducing a native ISO 32 setting. In practical terms, this is a massive deal for landscape, studio, and commercial photographers who demand absolute cleanliness in their shadows and highlighted details. Shooting at native ISO 32 allows you to push exposure boundaries and extract dynamic range that approaches medium format territory, all while shooting on a rugged, high-speed full-frame body. Imagine working under harsh sunlight with ultra-fast f/1.2 lenses and not having to screw on heavy neutral density filters just to keep your shutter speed within limits. The Nikon Z9 II is engineered to handle extreme light conditions natively, giving shooters clean, rich tonal gradations that make images pop right out of the screen. When you pair this insane sensor architecture with the next-generation processing engine rumored to be the XP8 dual-chip system, the performance numbers reach levels that sound almost fictional. Leaks suggest the Nikon Z9 II will be capable of shooting full-resolution RAW files at an astounding 60 frames per second continuously. If you drop down to DX crop mode, that speed skyrockets to 120 frames per second with full autofocus and auto-exposure tracking on every single frame. For sports photographers tracking a sprinter crossing the finish line or wildlife photographers capturing the exact moment an eagle strikes the water, missing the peak action becomes virtually impossible. You are no longer just taking pictures, you are capturing a continuous stream of ultra-high-resolution raw data where every fraction of a millisecond is preserved with surgical precision. However, the hardware speed is only half the story because where the Nikon Z9 II really breaks away from the pack is in its revolutionary video integration. Following Nikon's landmark acquisition of Red Digital Cinema, filmmakers have been waiting to see how that Hollywood magic would trickle down into standard mirrorless bodies. The answer provided by these leaks is breathtaking. The Nikon Z9 II is reported to natively record 12-bit redcode or 3D RAW video internally at up to 8.3K resolution in 3:2 open gate at 60 frames per second. Having open gate recording in a flagship mirrorless camera gives filmmakers complete flexibility to crop for anamorphic cinema, horizontal widescreen, or vertical social media layouts without losing a single pixel of quality. This turns the Nikon Z9 II into a legitimate digital cinema camera capable of slotting directly into high-end Hollywood production pipelines alongside multi-thousand-dollar cinema rigs. Beyond raw resolution, the RED integration introduces professional color science and workflow tools that filmmakers have requested for decades. We are talking about built-in custom LUT management, advanced waveform displays, exposure tools tailored specifically for cinema production, and new film simulation profiles developed in tandem with red color scientists. The days of dealing with flat, lifeless log profiles that require hours of complex color grading are coming to an end. With the Nikon Z9 II, shooters will be able to monitor and record rich, organic tones straight out of the camera, bridging the gap between cinema-grade aesthetics and mirrorless convenience. To keep a camera processing 8.3K raw video and 60 frames per second raw bursts without overheating, Nikon has reportedly redesigned the physical ergonomics and thermal management system of the Nikon Z9 II. Leaked chassis designs reveal an advanced passive and active liquid cooling structure built directly around the sensor and processing units. This means no arbitrary recording limits, no overheating warnings in hot desert environments, and complete reliability when shooting long live events or documentary interviews. Despite this enhanced thermal architecture, the body maintains its military-grade magnesium alloy construction and deep weather sealing, keeping it dustproof, drip-resistant, and ready to withstand the harshest environments on Earth. The autofocus system on the Nikon Z9 II is also receiving a massive, AI-driven transformation. Leveraging deep learning neural networks, the new subject detection algorithms go far beyond basic eye and face tracking. Reports indicate the camera can instantly recognize and track complex subjects like high-speed motorsports, birds in cluttered forest canopy, insects in flight, and even specific body joints of athletes in real time. The system continuously predicts subject movement, maintaining razor-sharp focus even when the subject is temporarily obscured by obstacles or moving erratically in extreme low-light environments down to -8.5 electron volts. This level of autofocus intelligence ensures that every single frame in a high-speed burst is tack-sharp, giving professionals absolute confidence in high-pressure situations.